Next project, fire pit.
We got this enthusiastic helper right here. What do you think about this spot? But we want to be out of the sight line of the road as much as possible. Maybe I should come this way a little bit. Maybe right about here in line with the deck. I think this is maybe a better spot. There it is. Okay, you grab that. Let's make a nice X right where we think we should be. You want to make the X?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, you hold the camera. Ready? Well, I think right about here. We're in line with the edge of the deck. We're in a nice spot. Right here. Right there. X marks the spot. No? Okay. Okay, I'm going to mark off our circle. Ready? Here goes. We're close enough. That should be about what we excavate. Let's get this done.
Yeah.
All right, excavator. I think it should be dug most of the way down into the ground. What do you think, Josh? Well, let's think about, I'd like most of the big fire to be deep underground. So then we'll just keep a little bit up above the grass so that I can mow around it. I think that makes sense, yeah. Right?
Thanks for watching.